If you want to send a group text on Samsung S25, I'm going to show you how we can do this on Samsung application and Google application. So first of all, let's start, for example, from the Samsung one. There we go. And now just click on this icon, and as you can see, all you have to do is just to simply click create a group, and from your contacts, just select numbers that you want to add into your group. Click next, and you can set name of your group. Click done, and now all you have to do is just to send this messages. There we go. But if you are using this second application from Samsung, you have to just continue with the Samsung, switch to the Samsung, and now click on plus right here, into this plus actually, and add your recipients. Click plus, and then just keep adding another one and another one, and now just send your text. There we go. And as you can see, that's how it actually looks. By tapping here, you can also find all of your group messages receipts.